one of the more popular body style Camaros we get in here at Unique, especially in classics. Of course, third gen, 1987 Chevrolet Camaro IROC-Z. This particular car, 305 underneath the hood, that is paired up with an automatic transmission with overdrive. Nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes, AC. Technician did note that the AC, the compressor, did not kick on and off when it went through the shop, and the consignor has chosen to sell it that way, FYI. This would originally been a black car to start with also. 41's the paint code. 822, gray leather interior, and that's still the way the car is presented here in the video and the pictures that you're going to see online. Let you take a close look at the front fascia. To me, it appears that it has had a repaint along the line. Paint is in decent shape, a little over 100,000 miles on this one. You can see a few little touch-ups up here on the hood where it has been touched up from little rock chips and what have you. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside, the interior, you'll see this car from every angle, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us at 507-386-1726. Riding on the stock IROC-Z wheels. Of course, you can see this is a CC1 RPO code T-top car. This is a true IROC, by the way. It would have a B4Z code, and it is also a 1SC, so you would have the IROC 3 package to it. And you can see that on the RPO codes. There's a picture of the RPO codes on our still pictures on the website, and those can be seen, once again, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. See, it's nice and straight down the passenger side there. It does have a clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Take a look up and down the driver's side, also straight on this side. I have the T-tops removed and placed in the bag in the back, so that will be included in it. As you can see, rear tinted window. Once again, those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Take a look at the reflection coming off of that too, all the way to the front door. So the black paint does show nice. It is black. Of course, you are going to see some touch-ups on it. Maybe a light scratch here and there, but overall, this car shows well. All right, let's take a look at the interior. We'll start it up. Let's check out the engine bay here at Run. So we do have power seat, driver's side, of course, power locks, power mirrors, power windows. Does have the rear power hatch release. Seats, not too bad to wear. You do have the leather seats where you're going to have the wrinkling that comes with that, just like a leather coat, leather shoes, but it's not worn through. A little bit right there, if you can kind of see that, but it's not really all the way through, except for this spot right here. You can see that, but overall, it's some nice leather conditioner on there. Keep those seats supple. They will stay nice for years to come. Well, aftermarket GT steering wheel added. Grant, I believe, makes those. Let's go ahead and start it up so you can hear it run. There's your exact miles, 103,613. A little rumble coming out of that. Check out the dash. Nice shape. Stereo, I believe the tech said one of the speakers was. So stereo does work. May not have surround sound working all the way, but stereo does work. Turn that back off. Alright, so you can see dash in nice shape, interior. It also stated the RPM's reading a little high. I want to point that out. Take a look at the passenger seat. Oh, it's a nice shape. Center console, also good shape. Rear seats, And you can see the interior a lot better in the still pictures on these coupes. It's a little tough with the video, so check out the still pictures. Gaskets, everything up around the top here seem pliable, nice, not cracked. And I have a good shot of those in the still pictures also. There's probably over 100 still pictures of this car online. Slip around the back seat here. I believe this one may have been MagnaFlow exhaust. Once again, that'll be in the still pictures from the underside of this car. Alright, I'm going to pause this a second, pop the hood, let's check out that engine bay, and we'll wrap up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Alright, check out the hood liner. Good shape there. Of course, this would be the TPI or tune port injected 5-liter. All the components seem to be there as far as for the AC. They just made a note that the compressor was not kicking on and off, may need a charge, a little attention. And then of course power steering, power brakes. Nice clean, tidy engine bay here. Alright. There you go. 3rd gen Camaro, 1987. Chevrolet Camaro, IROC-Z, true CC1 T-top car. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.